Okay, hi students. In today's class, this is a continuation of trigonometry class, trigonometry part 2. We have to solve some problems. I will explain some problems. First example is evaluate the following: sin 45 plus cos 45. The value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Root 2 and root 2, LCM of root 2 is root 2. Since we have root 2 and LCM is root 2, this is same. So 1 and 1, I will write as it is. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by root 2. We can leave the answer here, or in place of 2, I can write root 2 multiplied by root 2. This is equal to 2. So this 2, in place of this 2, I will write root 2 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 1 is cancelled. So the answer is root 2 by 1, but we will write root 2 as the answer. Second example is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 divided by cot 45 cos 60 minus secant 30. How we will solve this? Sin 30, value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus value of tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60 is 2 divided by root 3. Value of cosecant 60 is 2 divided by root 3. Cot 45 1, tan 45 value is 1, cot 45 value is also 1 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2 minus secant 30, value of secant 30 is also 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 value is 2 by root 3, secant 30 value is 2 by root 3. Remember this. How we will solve this now? We will take the LCM 2 and root 3. LCM here is 2 root 3. 2 into root 3. So here what I will get? I will get root 3 after taking LCM. 2 and 2 I will leave this. Root 3 I will multiply here. So root 3 1 is root 3 plus here I will multiply 2 root 3 complete minus root 3 and root 3 I will leave. 2 2 is 4 divided by here also I will take LCM. What is the LCM? 2 into root 3. Here complete 2 root 3 I will multiply with this one. 2 into root 3 plus 2 and 2 I will leave this. Root 3 I will multiply here. Minus root 3 and root 3 I will leave. 2 2 is 4. Now what I can do? I can cancel this root 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 ones. I cancel this. Now continuation of this I am doing here. Root 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 root 3 I will get here. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by here also 2 plus 1 is 3 root 3 minus 4. So the numerator and denominator is same. So I can cancel this 1 the 1 the. So my answer is 1. Now we will look at another example. This is one of the question in SSC Telangana exams. Okay, tan 36 divided by cot 54. How we will solve this? We will keep this tan 36 as it is. I will change this. How I am changing this? Cot 54, I will write it as cot 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 is what? 54. 90 degree minus 36 degree is 54 we will get. So I am playing with this number 54. What I am doing? I am writing cot as it is. I am changing this 54 to 90 minus 36. Now cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. I wanted to make this number, this identity as this. Why? After solving this, I will get tan theta. So now when I am solving this, tan 36 divided by cot 90 minus theta, this is theta. So tan theta is what? Tan 36. 90 minus 36 is equal to tan 36. Cot 90 minus 36 is tan 36. This is same, numerator and denominator is same. I will cancel this one the. So the answer is 1. Again, tan 36 divided by cot 54. I will keep this number as it is. I will change this number. I am playing with this 54. 90 minus 36 I am writing it. Why? Because cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 minus 36 is tan 36. So next step I will write cot 90 minus 36 as tan 36. This and this is cancelled. I will get the answer as 1. Okay. One more example. Cos 12 minus sin 78. How we will solve this? We will keep either one of these identities as same. We will not change. I will keep this cos 12 as it is, and here I will keep the sign as it is. I am playing with this number 78. This 78 I am writing it as 90 minus 12. 90 minus 12 is 78. Now sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Sin 90 minus 12 is equal to cos 12. By changing this, our solution becomes easy. Cos 12 as it is, sin 90 minus 12 is cos 12. Cos 12 minus cos 12 is 0. Same as 1 minus 1 is 0. In similar way, cos 12 minus cos 12 is 0. In this example also, we will keep one identity unchanged. I will change this tan 26, I will write it as 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is 26. I will keep this tan 64 as it is. This is tan 26 into tan 64. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus 64 is equal to what? Cot 64. So I will change this now. Cot 64 into tan 64. Multiply. Cot theta is equal to, I can write it as 1 by tan theta. So that means cot 64, I can write it as 1 by tan 64. So I will remove this, I will add, I will write 1 by tan 64 into tan 64 as it is this one. So in place of cot 64, I am using the formula 1 by tan 64. Tan 64 ones are tan 64 ones are cancel. 1 ones is 1. 1 by 1 is the answer. So 1 is the answer. In trigonometry, we have to remember the formulas and we should learn what formula to use in the problem. This is the technique. Okay? Because we have used all these formulas in our problems that we have discussed so far.